Hey guys, it is Obsidian Scorpius. I am recording today because I'm going to show you guys how to use my Tarotmats that I hand sew. You can also put them in the drawstring bags as well to store them with the Tarotmats. Please stay tuned and also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Obsidian Scorpius along with my business Facebook page. I really appreciate the support and love, guys. Thank you. Also too, I want to point out that this is my first time actually recording myself with like this and everything. It's very awkward for me. Anyhow, I won't be able to do a voiceover for the recording on how to use the Tarotmats, so I'm just gonna do the text typing thing for the video. So stay tuned and thank you.